Hi everyone, this is Beverly Black, and I'm coming to you today with another review, and this is a Whall Handheld vacuum cleaner. This vacuum cleaner comes with these attachments. Let me tell you what they are. This one is the dust brush. This one is the one that you pick up, the regular stuff. This attach right here if you need to pick up something with water in it. Here is the adapter to charge the handheld vacuum. And here is the handheld vacuum by Whall. Right here. It charges for up to 4 to 5 hours. It will be red when you receive it, when the charge is down, but then it will go to green when it is completely charged. Here it says easier to clean, strong suction power, strong suction power. And the running time on that battery, once you charge it, is 25 minutes. Charging time, 4 to 5 hours. I'm going to turn it on. Right here is where you turn it on, where you will separate these two apart. The little dust bag is on the inside. Listen. Those are the speeds right there. I put the attachment on it. Now go and use it on the carpet, which is nothing on my carpet, but we're going to try it. You hear it? It's got suction. It also comes with the screws if you want to attach the charging part to the wall. You can do that. And here it is. This is a Whall handheld vacuum cleaner. Everyone have a blessed and prosperous day. Thank you for watching this short video about this handheld vacuum cleaner. Everyone be blessed and prosperous. Remember, I love you, but God loves you more. Why? Because you are His masterpiece. Bye-bye.